welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I'm going to make a beanie using a special stitch. I'm going to start with the half double crochets. I have another video how to make a beanie with the only half double crochet. I will link to that so you can use it to the diameter you needed for the beanie. I'm going to start this one with 12 half double crochet. So once the diameter for the crown is done, whatever circumference I needed for the crown for this beanie, we will meet again. After 6 rounds, I have about a little over 6 inches. So this one is a little bit stretchy yarn. So this is enough for the crown. This is enough for the crown. So I'm going to cut the yarn. This was half double crochet, medium weight yarn, 5mm crochet hook, and I did half double crochets in the round, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rounds of increase is done. Now we get a slip stitch on the hook, and now we are going to start doing a double crochet. Just tighten a little bit. Yarn over hook and insert the hook in one of the stitches and do the half of the double crochet. Then yarn over, insert the hook and bring up a loop, bring through 2 loops, that is another half of the double crochet. Now we yarn over and go through 3 loops on the hook, that is 2 double crochet together. Now again I am going to make chain 3 and make another 2 half double crochet together in the same space. Then I'm going to skip the next 3 stitches and making another 2 half double crochet together. Then chain 3 and make another half double crochet together. 2 half double crochets together. Then again yarn over, insert the hook in the same space, bring up a loop, yarn over, bring through 2 loops at the same time, bring through 2 loops, then yarn over, bring through 3 loops on the hook. Now we are going to skip next 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one we are going to make 2 double crochet together, then chain 3 and making another 2 double crochet together in the same space. And it looks like this. We are going to have 18 clusters of this one around this the stitches, because I have 72 stitches in the last half double crochet round. So we'll come all the way here and meet again. Now we finished that round, and we are going to join to the top of the first 2 double crochet together. Now I'm going to cut the yarn and I'm going to lock it in place. Now we are going to use the same color. Now I'm going to make a slip knot on my hook. Then I'm going to start doing a double crochet. Now half double crochet in here, between the clusters. This is 3 chains, so I'm going to make 3 half double crochet. not double crochet, half double crochet. I'm going to make 3 half double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 half double crochets in here, then 1 half double crochet between these ones, and repeat. In a nutshell, we are going to have 1 half double crochet in each of the stitches. I finished one round of half double crochet. This is 72 stitches. Again, I'm going to make one more round of the half double crochet in each stitch. Now I finished that second row of half double crochet. Lock that one in place. I'm planning to donate some caps in the winter, so these caps are going to get donated. Now I'm going to attach my white yarn to any of this half double crochet and going to repeat the pattern. You can approximately go in the same way, or you can go in different way. So I'm not going to be very careful about that. Now the slip stitch is on my hook. I'm going to yarn over hook and make half of a double crochet here, then make another half of a double crochet, and just like that, then chain 3, and make another 2 double crochet together, then skip the next 3 stitches, and on the 4th one make 2 double crochet together, chain 3, and in the same space make another 2 double crochet together. Just like that, repeat all around, then 2 rounds of half double crochet, etc. I will go up to 7.5, 8 inches for this one. This is the finished cap. I like these colors. If you like this pattern, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment what colors would you like to make these ones. I am planning to make 100 caps before winter starts in 2025 and to donate it. So I'm hoping I will be able to make 100 hats, and we'll have different patterns too. With the next pattern we will meet again next time. Please help me to grow this channel. Thanks for watching. See you with another pattern next time. Till then, bye bye.